Now here we are on Tololo itself, up by the telescopes. You can see the shadows of some of the domes there on the ground. And this is looking across toward the Andes Mountains. We're in a part of the foothills, and you can see the snow line there so clearly. It's really amazing. It's beautiful to see. And there are a couple of the smaller telescopes. There are 7 telescopes on the mountain. Of course, the largest being the 4-meter, and then several others ranging less than that. And here's some astronomers out trying to get photos of this rare occurrence. Now this looks out toward the western horizon. And toward the south. And there's Dan. Get out of the picture. Again, these films were taken by Tom last July. This is looking toward La Serena. Again, this is something between a stream and a river there. Ordinarily it's dry during the year, but you can see it quite clearly now, full of water, and then Serena is lying in the haze beyond it. Now we're looking again eastward toward the Andes behind the other telescope domes. Was actually rather warm on this day. It was about 50 degrees, so the snow tended to melt rather quickly, but there was so much of it, it still took it a couple of weeks to finally melt away. And again, the 4-meter dome and some of the other smaller domes. Now he will zoom in on the door up there around the perimeter of the 4-meter dome. And now we'll show you what it looks like from that doorway looking down. You can see it's quite a distance up. And here is the man in the white is the gentleman in charge of the telescope operations, talking with a couple of his employees. I have to say, no matter what the time of year, the view from the top of Tololo is truly awe-inspiring. You really get the feeling you're sitting on top of the world. It's an incredible view that you just can't capture on film. Oftentimes when we sit in the dining room, you see condors just flying by the dining room windows. They're incredible. Their wingspans are, 15 feet across sometimes. Again, here are the high Andes in the background, some of them ranging to 15 to 20,000 feet.